Welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. I've got my glue gun scissors too, crafting something just for you. Get inspired, let's create, so come along, don't hesitate. Let's get started with this video.
I love my Dollar Tree because you can buy so many beautiful items and create some beautiful home decor. Some time ago, I went to a garage sale and I bought these ribbon, actually this ribbon, and I got a whole box for $7. I thought it was a bargain. And of course, I'm going to be covering the entire wreath except the ears. So this Hawaiian skirt, I had some of it left over from a long time ago. I'm going to take it and braid several pieces, and with that I'm going to be covering the ears. And of course I'm going to be gluing it with hot glue. So now I'm just adding some more hot glue and I am continuing with another piece. And of course, this is very forgiving. You're not even going to be able to tell that you started a new section. And this ribbon, I'm going to be creating a beautiful bow. And with hot glue, I'm going to be gluing it right between the ears. I bought these burlap flowers from Dollar Tree. I don't know, I think it was like maybe 1 year or 2 years ago. So I'm going to be gluing it right in the center of the bow. And just to switch the colors around, I have purple and pink flowers that I'm going to be adding around that burlap rose. I think it's a rose. It looks like a rose. What do you think? And look at how gorgeous this looks. Oh my God, I am in love with this wreath. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now I turned it around and I am putting another piece of jute cord right here, or I should say just a piece of jute cord because I have not added any jute cord at all through this video. And then with a piece of the same burlap ribbon, I'm gonna go ahead and cover both of the ends just to make sure that this doesn't go anywhere when I hang it on my door. And this is it, my dear friends. Let me know in the comments section your thoughts. If you like it, don't forget that big thumbs up. It will help my channel. Here is the final reveal. For this second project, I have this little hop word that I found at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be taking out the little hands, the little nose, and the ears. I'm going to be taking this wood round and I'm going to be giving it one coat with white chalk paint, only in the front. I also took my blush color from Waverly and I am painting the feet and the nose. And the two ears, I'm going to be covering it with burlap ribbon, and I'm going to be covering the entire ear, front and back. And of course, this ribbon has a piece of wire on the corner, so I'm going to be removing that so it can be easier for me to wrap it around the ears. And now let's go ahead and put everything together. I'm going to be gluing everything with hot glue, and here's the little pink nose. I'm going to also add the little hands or arms, well, hands that is, not arm. And I'm going to be placing it right here in the bottom section, just the same way of the one that we just disassembled. And then of course we are going to be doing the same thing with the ears. We are going to be using some hot glue. I'm going to be creating both of the eyes with this sponge brush, and of course I'm using black chalk paint. I'm also going to be using some white chalk paint, and I'm going to be adding two little white dots on the eyes. I watered down this light brown color with a little bit of water, and I'm creating the little whiskers. I will also be doing the same thing to the mouth. And this wood box, I'm painting it with white chalk paint. I'm only going to be giving it one coat. The bottom section, I started painting it, but then I'm like, oh, I forgot the legs. So once it was dry, I came in with some hot glue, and then I went on and I put all four of the legs, and then I finished it up with some more chalk paint. Now that it's completely dry, I am going to come in with this bunny head, and with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to be gluing it right here. And of course, I am adding a floral foam in the middle or in the inside. And then I'm coming in with several of my flowers that my stash. Because, this video should be called Craft Your Stash. Because everything I used today, it was from my stash. I didn't have to go out and buy absolutely nothing. I think that this came out absolutely gorgeous. So I'm adding some Spanish moss. And that is it, my dear friends. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be using another wood round, and I'm going to be painting it with this light mist. I'm going to only paint half of it, and then the other half I'm going to be painting it in white. Once it's all dry, then I have this window cling. I'm going to be measuring it, make sure that it looks okay. And then I'm going to come in with some Mod Podge. I'm going to seal it. And this wood wreath form, I am giving it one coat with white chalk paint. So while the wood wreath dries up, then I am coming in with that Mod Podge, and I'm going to go ahead and seal this. Let me go ahead and add plenty of hot glue around this wood wreath, and then I am going to be placing it right on top of the wood plaque or the wood round. I'm going to be using another wood round. This one, I'm going to be painting it with white chalk paint, and I'm only giving it one coat. I'm going to go ahead and glue both of them together with hot glue. My dear friends, I was looking at this really close and I'm like, this looks kind of plain. So let me go ahead and add plenty of hot glue around this wood wreath. And I'm going to be adding some jute cord. I also have some wood bunnies that I am going to be placing them right here on this platform. I have 2 of them and I'm going to be putting them right next to each other along with a little flower pot. And this is it, my dear friends. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget that big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.